New Zealand households are big users of electricity. In many cases, people rely on electricity as their only fuel and will use it for heating, cooking, hot water, lighting, and using all the other appliances in their household. In Heep2, we're trying to collect detailed information on how people use electricity in their houses, and we do that using this device here called an IotaWatt. The IotaWatt is installed by a registered electrician who will connect it to your main switchboard, and we will use a small device called a current clamp to record the electricity being used on every circuit. There's a lot of variation between switchboards in New Zealand, and so our electricians are trained to understand what they're looking at and come up with the best solution for a particular Heep2 household. In this situation, we've got a very compact switchboard, leaving us not much room to actually add our Heep2 equipment. But you'll see that the wires come out reasonably neatly from the main switchboard. The only upshot of this installation is that we can't quite shut the door properly. But your switchboard may be completely different, and our electricians will work to find the best solution. Because the IotaWatt is physically connected to the switchboard, it needs to be located close by. In this case, and in most cases, we'll mount our main Heep2 box underneath your switchboard. Each of these wires come in from the IotaWatt is connected to one individual circuit, and we'll collect the data from that in terms of the average power used each minute. So that's way more detailed information than you would get from a normal electricity bill, even if it was a smart meter. The IotaWatt itself is connected to this thing here in our box, which is actually a small computer. That computer then encrypts the data and sends it back to the secure brands database. Once the IotaWatt and Heep2 installation is complete, we put the lid on the box and then we're done. At this point, you can use electricity as normal. If there's a power cut, the Heep2 instrumentation should automatically restart, and it's no problem if you need to switch off a circuit or change a fuse. Everything is taken care of. If you do need to contact us about the Heep2 box, simply call the 0800 number and get in touch with us. One case where this might be necessary is if you're getting a new heat pump installed or having the wiring changed in your house. Again, simply contact us and we'll work out the best solution for your household. The Heep2 box is actually suspended from your switchboard, meaning at the end of the Heep2 monitoring period, our installers will revisit your house and the electrician will remove this box simply by unscrewing this bracket from the switchboard. At the end of Heep2, you shouldn't know we've been here at all.